It's like starting to smoke.
Depending on how you like your salmon cooked, 1 or 2 seconds.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Tom Aikens and we are here in the Gozney kitchen. And today I'm going to be cooking a baked salmon. So the salmon is very thinly sliced. We place that onto a sheet of parchment paper and then bake it in the Black Edition Gozney pizza oven. And with that is a caper sauce that's made with a beurre noisette or a brown butter. So to begin, take a pan, olive oil, and we're just going to warm that. And then we're going to take the shallots, finely chop these. So these are banana shallots. And then we just put the shallots into the pan and a little bit of garlic as well, some bay leaf, a little bit of thyme, and then some salt and pepper. And then we're just going to put that in the oven just for a few minutes, just to get it nice and soft. Okay, so the shallots are cooked almost, so we want to leave them with a little bit of bite. And then we're just going to add a little bit of white wine, a little bit of lemon juice, and then we're going to cook that down pretty much all the way until it's soaked into the shallots. So the liquid is now all evaporated out of the pan almost. We leave a little bit in there just for the acidity. And we're going to add some diced lemon. And then we've got the beurre noisette, the brown butter. If you didn't want the butter, you can use olive oil as well. We've got some whole capers. And then we put a little bit more salt and pepper. Put a few chopped capers as well. Some chopped parsley. Just give that a good stir. Okay, and then what we're going to do, we're just going to put it back in the oven just for 2 minutes to bring it to a simmer. And that's our sauce. It's ready. It's simmered. So you've got all the lovely flavours in there. And then just leave that to rest. And then we're going to do the salmon. Okay, so next what we're going to do is prepare the parchment paper. Take a little bit of olive oil, lightly smear it over the paper. This prevents the salmon from sticking. We take a microplane and we just put some lemon on top. We have a little bit more thyme leaf and then some of the chopped capers. And then we're going to slice the salmon next. Okay, so this is the salmon. So we're going to take one fillet. And then all we're going to do is slice nice thin pieces to then layer on top of the paper. Nice long pieces all the way down the salmon. And then we just layer them on top. Sometimes what I do, if for restaurants, I'll cut smaller pieces, which I'll just show you, and then they lay them the other way. So we cut 5 to 6 pieces a portion, so they go this way, all the way down. We're then just going to season a little bit of olive oil, a little bit more lemon on top, and then we just put it directly straight onto the bottom of the oven. And then we're going to bake this in the oven for literally, it will take 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how you like your salmon cooked. So for me, that's just about cooked. I mean, that took literally like 1 minute. So then what we do, we then take the plate next to you, turn it over, and then we just warm our sauce and then just place it over the fish. And there you have your baked salmon literally in 1 minute with a caper and brown butter sauce. So we're going to try it, and I can tell you it is going to be absolutely delicious. Very simple dish, easy way to cook, and absolutely beautiful.